Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the brand new myFirst camera Insta. Inside the box we have two mysterious boxes, ooh, and a pretty sturdy lanyard. I like the black color. Okay, what is inside mystery box number 1? We have our printer cartridge and our USB-C charging cable. Always great to have. Pretty excited to play with this cartridge, but let's move on to mystery box number 2. And it's paperwork, manual, and stickers. Perfect. And here we have the Insta camera. We have the gray version, which is actually stunning in real life. Not sure if the camera does it justice here. Well, this is all that comes in the box of the myFirst Insta. Okay, so how does this thing work? We have the 2-step shutter button up here, the selfie button, and filter wheel. On the back, we have the gallery button, print, settings menu, trash, and back buttons. Up front, we have the flash and a second shutter button for selfies. Okay, let's turn it on and play with the Insta. Here we have the selfie button. Hello, everyone. This center button takes you to the settings menu, where you can check language, sound, and more. Adding the print cartridge is pretty easy. Just open the bottom latch and align the slot, and push it right in. It should slide in smoothly. Now we are ready to take some pics and print them out. Press the gallery button to choose what to print, and now we can have a normal print or brighten it before the print. I have the footage sped up here, but it will take about a minute to get your print. It is using dye sublimation technology to get this photo with accurate colors and pretty high quality. You can see the 2 border options here as well. Oh, and you cannot forget the many filter and frame options to add to your photos. From here, you can scroll through frames, exposure settings, turn on the flash, and the top wheel can change the filters. Pick what looks best for you. Take your picture and print this masterpiece. But the Insta has another trick up its sleeve. You can print from your phone with the myFirst Circle app. Log on to myFirst Circle app and hit the top right menu and press Insta Cloud Print. Press Connect Device, and this will prompt you to connect to the camera's Wi-Fi. Once connected, you will have access to print photos directly from your phone's gallery using the Insta. You can edit and add frames here before you print. Aw, cute baby! Well, there you have it, the brand new Insta from myFirst. Is this camera going to replace your Instax? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more new tech unboxings.